Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from September's Boxycharm by Ipsy. This month's theme is More is More. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm, Alamar Cosmetics Desnudeas Exotica Palette, Shades by Shan the Pore Diffusing Primer, Polite Society Polite Pops Powder Blush Stick, and the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm. A little goes a long way. This is super rich and soothing, and I also love that it's supposed to be breathable and not pore clogging. Now let's take a look at the Alamar Cosmetics Desnudeas Exotica Eyeshadow Palette. This 8-pan palette retails for $28. Let's swatch it. The color story is really unique and the shimmers are absolutely stunning. First, I'm dipping into the matte shade Mauvette. I'm applying this to the outer part of my crease. Next, I'm picking up the shade Temptation. I'm adding this to the same area. Now I'm grabbing the shade Desio. I'm packing this onto the front part of the lid. I love when a white eyeshadow is really pigmented and smooth like this. Finally, I'm using the shimmer shade Unica. I'm tapping that on the center of the lid. This shimmer is seriously out of this world. After that, I'm using the Shades by Shan Pore Diffusing Primer. Unlike your typical blurring primer, this also claims to be hydrating. It does go on really easily like your typical hydrating primer, but I can tell it's blurring and smoothing, and it feels quite weightless as well. Next, I'm trying the Polite Society Polite Pops Powder Blush Stick. This is in the shade London. The formula is super unique, combining the flexible, rich color and blendability of a cream with the look and feel of a powder. Finally, I'm applying the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. This is in the shade Hope. Here's a quick swatch. I absolutely love Rare Beauty products and hope to see more in future Ipsy boxes. Here's the finished look using products from September's Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.